Welcome to AK Sharma Bio classes. In the previous section, we had discussed about reproductive system of human male and female. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about reproductive health. Before we start reproductive health, I would like to ask you what is health? A health is the state of complete wellness. If all the organs of our body is properly or functioning properly, we call that a person is healthy. So, a state of complete wellness of a human being is called its health. But what is reproductive health? Reproductive health is a state of physical, emotional, behavioral, social fitness for leading a responsible, safe, and satisfying reproductive life. Briefly speaking, reproductive health refers to healthy reproductive organs with normal functions. WHO has defined reproductive health as a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, its emotional, behavioral, social aspects along with the physical one. In our country, reproductive health has some problems and strategies. What are the problems and strategies related to reproductive health? Reproductive health means a total well being in all aspects of reproduction. India initiated reproductive health programs, or popularly it is called as family planning, in 1951. Earlier it was known as RCH, Reproductive and Child Health Care Programs. What was the objective of RCH? The main objectives of RCH program was to make people aware about reproduction related aspects and to create a reproductively healthy society. And what was the main aim to introduce sex education in the school? And is there any need to introduce sex education in school? Yes, definitely. Sex education must be introduced in the school because it provides right information about sex related aspects to avoid sex related myths and misconceptions, to give proper information about reproductive organs, adolescence, and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, and more about sexually transmitted diseases, AIDS, etc. So, sex education becomes very important to introduce in the school so that students should have right informations about sex related aspects and sex related myths, misconceptions, social stigmas, and taboos must be avoided from the society, and they must be given the proper information about their sexual organs and safe and hygienic sexual practices. The main problem of our country is population explosion and the birth control. This is one of the major problems of our country which is prevailing in India. The rapid increase in population over a relatively short period is called population explosion. The reason for population explosion is increase in longevity due to decline in death rate, maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate, control of diseases, better sanitation, better nutrition and life amenities. These are the reasons for population explosions. And let us see some data about population. In 1900, the world population was around 2 billions or 2000 millions. By 2000, it rocked to about 6 billions. India's population was nearly 350 millions during independence. It crossed 1 billion in May 2000. It means every sixth person in the world is an Indian, isn't it? According to 2001 census, the population growth rate was still around 1.7%, a rate at which our population could double in 33 years. So you can imagine how the population is spreading, increasing in a very short period, and population is exploding like anything. So what is the main idea to control population growth, to where we have to control its birth control. And we can see some regions for population explosions:
As we have already discussed before.
increased health facilities and better living conditions, a rapid declining death rate, maternal mortality rate, infant mortality rate, increase in number of people in reproducible age. So these are the some regions of population explosions. Scarcity of basic requirements. If there is a population explosion in a country, to what consequences can be created? The consequences or impact, what will be the impact of population explosion? There will be scarcity of basic requirements like food, shelter, and clothing, and there will be some other problems also be created. We can see here there will be insufficient employment, insufficient housing, there will be insufficient healthcare service, there will be insufficient education service. That shows that people in our country are not getting sufficient health service, sufficient education service, sufficient employment, sufficient housing facility because of this population explosion. So population must be controlled, its rate to be decreased. So we should adopt some control measures. Motivate smaller families by using contraceptive methods. Aware people about a slogan, "हम दो हमारे दो, we two and our two." Many couple have adopted one child norms. We should also adopt, or we should make the people aware to adopt a slogan, "हम दो and हमारे दो." Statutory rising of marriageable age of the female to 18 years and that of males to 21 years. For males, marriageable age is 21 years, and for females, the marriageable age is 18 years. Let us discuss about some contraceptives, birth control methods. There may be different birth control methods, and these birth control methods or the measures to adopt to control birth or regulation of conception by preventive method or devices to limit the number of offsprings is called birth control or contraceptions, and the devices are called contraceptives. What is the characteristics of an ideal contraceptives? It must be user friendly, it should be easily available, it should be effective and reversible, it should not have any side effects, it should not interfere fear, the sexual drive, desire, or the sexual act of the user. It must be user friendly. So these are the contraceptives characteristics. An ideal contraceptives.
In the next video, we'll study about contraceptive method.